Hello and welcome to the Intestinal Anastomosis training task. This enterotomy simulates the last phase of a side-to-side linear stapled intestinal anastomosis. We start off the task with a laparoscopic suture at the top of the enterotomy. Make sure that your first suture is tight and secure. Once we've completed the first suture with a square knot, we continue the anastomosis. We insert the needle through the tissue, pick up the needle using our left laparoscopic grasper, and we immediately position the needle holder. Pull the suture through using our left laparoscopic grasper. Hold up the anastomosis using the suture. Make sure to not make the last suture too tight, as we will be using the suture to finish up the anastomosis with a square knot. This is how you complete the intestinal anastomosis training task. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.